Are you struggling to get your life in order? It's a question many of us grapple with, especially in the hustle and bustle of today's fast-paced world. But fear not, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and it starts with understanding the importance of having our lives sorted out. It's more than just having a clean room or a full bank account. It's about overall wellness, productivity, and a sense of control over our own destinies. In the next few minutes, we're going to dive into 6 simple ways to help you get your life in order in the shortest possible time. No magic pills, no over-the-top promises, just straightforward, practical steps that you can start implementing today. From prioritizing your tasks to seeking support, we've got you covered, so buckle up and prepare to take notes. Get ready to transform your life with these 6 simple steps. The first step to getting your life in order is prioritizing your tasks. We've all been there. Waking up to a whirlwind of tasks, not knowing where to start. It's like being in the middle of a hurricane with tasks flying all around. It's overwhelming, isn't it? But what if I told you there's a simple way to calm this storm? Prioritizing your tasks is like turning that chaotic hurricane into a gentle breeze. It's the art of identifying what's important and tackling it first. When you prioritize, you're essentially creating an action plan for your day, week, or even month. This not only provides a clear direction but also helps you manage your time effectively. Imagine you're standing in front of a dartboard with your tasks as the targets. Without prioritizing, you're just throwing darts in the dark, hoping to hit something. But with prioritization, you switch on the lights, clearly see the targets, and aim your darts strategically. Now, how do we go about prioritizing tasks? Well, one of the easiest ways is to make a to-do list. Simply jot down everything you need to do, then arrange them in order of importance. It could be based on deadlines, the amount of effort required, or even the impact of the task. This gives you a tangible plan to follow, making your day more structured and less chaotic. In today's digital age, you can also use various tools and apps for task management. These digital helpers can remind you of deadlines, help you delegate tasks, and even visualize your progress. They are like your personal assistants, keeping track of your tasks and ensuring you stay on top of them. But remember, prioritizing isn't about packing your day with tasks. It's about identifying what's truly important and focusing on that. It's about working smarter, not harder. So, the next time you're caught in the hurricane of tasks, don't panic. Take a deep breath, prioritize, and watch as the storm calms, revealing a clear path ahead. Remember, prioritizing tasks can greatly reduce stress and increase productivity. The second step is self-care. Now, when it comes to getting your life in order, self-care is not just a trendy buzzword. It's an essential part of maintaining both your mental and physical health. Think of it as the fuel that keeps your engine running smoothly. Without it, you're likely to burn out, unable to tackle the tasks and challenges that life throws your way. So, what does self-care look like? It's as simple as making sure you're getting regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, and prioritizing sleep. These might seem like basic necessities, but they are often the first things to fall by the wayside when we're busy or stressed. Remember, exercise doesn't have to mean running a marathon. It can be a brisk walk, a dance class, or a yoga session, and a balanced diet. That means enjoying a variety of foods and not denying yourself the occasional treat. Never underestimate the power of self-care. It's vital for a balanced life. The third step is getting your finances in order. Picture this. Your money should be like a well-oiled machine, with every dollar having a purpose. That's where budgeting comes in. It's about knowing where your money's going and ensuring it's working for you, not against you. Now let's talk about saving. It's not just about stashing money under your mattress. It's about creating an emergency fund, saving for specific goals, and making sure you're financially secure for those unexpected life events. Investing, on the other hand, is how you grow your wealth. It might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. There are numerous resources out there, including financial planning apps, that can help you get started. Remember, financial planning isn't just about the money, it's about the freedom and peace of mind that comes with knowing you're in control of your financial future. Financial stability is a crucial part of getting your life in order. The fourth step is decluttering your space. Now, you might be wondering, what does tidying up have to do with getting my life together? Well, think about it. When your surroundings are in chaos, it's easy for your mind to follow suit. On the other hand, a clean, organized space can pave the way for a clear, focused mind. So, how do we achieve this decluttered nirvana? Here's where a couple of handy rules come into play. First, we have the one in, one out rule. Simply put, for every new item you bring into your space, one item should leave. This helps to maintain balance and prevent buildup of unnecessary stuff. Next, we have the 5-minute rule. If a task takes 5 minutes or less to complete, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. So remember folks, a decluttered space leads to a decluttered mind. The 5th step is setting goals and planning. This step is crucial in our journey to get things together. It's like having a destination before setting out on a journey. You wouldn't start a trip without knowing where you're going, would you? That's why setting goals is so important. Goals give us a sense of direction and purpose. They help us focus our efforts and keep us motivated when things get tough. Short-term goals can be anything from finishing a book you've been reading to completing a project at work. They are immediate tasks that need your attention. Long-term goals, on the other hand, require more time and effort. These could be career advancement, buying a house, or achieving a certain level of fitness. They are your big-picture aspirations and they give you a broader perspective on where your life is headed. But setting goals is just the first part. The next step is planning how to achieve these goals. This is where a planner or digital tools come in handy. You can jot down your goals and break them down into actionable steps. For instance, if your goal is to lose weight, you could plan to work out 3 times a week and cut down on junk food. Or, if your goal is to save money, you could plan to set aside a certain amount from your paycheck every month. Planning not only makes your goals more achievable, but also helps you track your progress. It allows you to see how far you've come and how much further you need to go. It's a constant reminder of your commitment to your goals. Remember, your goals are unique to you. They reflect your aspirations and dreams. So make them as big or as small as you want. And don't be afraid to adjust them as you go. Life is unpredictable, and it's okay to change your plans when circumstances demand it. With clear goals and a plan, you're on your way to getting your life in order. The final step is seeking support. It's a common misconception that having your act together means doing everything on your own. But let's debunk that myth right now. It's not only okay to ask for help, it's crucial. No one is an island, and we all thrive with a strong support system around us. Think about it. Even the tallest skyscrapers have a solid foundation beneath them. And that's exactly what your support system is. Your foundation. It could be your family, friends, mentors, or even professional help like counselors or life coaches. Having someone to lean on when things get tough, someone to share your victories with, or simply someone to offer a fresh perspective can make all the difference. This power of community is invaluable in getting your life on track. It's like having a personal cheer squad pushing you towards your goals. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Seek support when needed. Let's quickly recap the 6 ways to get your life in order. First, prioritize your tasks. Identify what's important and focus on those things. It's all about streamlining your activities and making the most of your time. Next, practice self-care. Your health and well-being are paramount. So take time to relax, exercise, and eat healthily. Third, financial planning. Get a handle on your finances. Save, invest, and spend wisely. It's the key to securing your future. Fourth, declutter. A clean, organized space can do wonders for your productivity and mental health. So, out with the old and in with the new. Fifth, set goals and plan. Know where you're headed and make a roadmap to get there. A clear vision can make all the difference. Lastly, seek support. You're not alone. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals when you need it. Start today and watch as your life transforms. Thank you for watching. And remember, you've got this.